In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome slow downloading. It's a problem that frustrates many users, but with a few adjustments, you can easily speed up your downloads. Let's dive right into it. First, open your Google Chrome browser and look towards the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three-dot menu, which is your access point to all the browser's settings and options. Clicking on these three dots will open a drop-down menu, and from there, you'll want to navigate straight to Settings. This option houses all the essential configurations and personal preferences for your Chrome experience. Once you're in the Settings window, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll notice a range of categories, but the one we're interested in today is Privacy and Security. Selecting this will take you to a section where you can control how your personal data and online activities are managed. It's a crucial area for maintaining your browser's efficiency and ensuring a smooth user experience. Within Privacy and Security, there's an option labeled Clear Browsing Data. Go ahead and click on this. A new window will appear, giving you the option to select the time range for the data you want to clear. For best results, choose All Time to ensure a comprehensive sweep. Make sure to check the boxes next to cached images and files and cookies and other site data. These are the items that often accumulate and create a bottleneck in your browser's performance, especially when downloading files. After you've made your selections, click on Delete Data to remove these unnecessary files. This action will help clear up space and reduce the workload on your browser, both significant factors that can contribute to slow download speeds. Now, let's address another aspect that might be affecting your download speed. Head back to the left sidebar in Settings and this time, select System. Under System Preferences, locate the option that reads Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If this toggle is switched on, go ahead and turn it off. This option, while initially designed to enhance performance, can sometimes cause issues like slow downloading if your computer's hardware isn't handling it well. By turning it off, you may see an improvement in how smoothly your browser operates. You'll need to restart your Chrome browser for these changes to take effect. Simply close and reopen the browser and test to see if your download speeds have improved. If you find that your downloads are still sluggish, consider pausing any ongoing downloads, or, if possible, switch to a different network connection. A congested network can often slow things down more than any browser setting. And there you have it. With these steps, you should notice a marked improvement in your download speeds in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.